Update 3 on Hurricane Delta, which has weakened substantially since our last update, but is still a Category 1 hurricane. The storm is located at 22.30 north, negative 90.20 west as of 1900 Central Daylight Time, the 7 October 2020. Delta has winds of 90 miles per hour and a pressure of 973 millibars. The storm is moving northwest with a TCDR rating 12. Devastating damage possible from the storm. Here is where Delta is located. It is currently 477 miles away from Grand Isle, 527 from New Orleans, 557 from Lafayette, 564 from Baton Rouge, and 577 from Lake Charles. There is a storm surge watch from High Island, Texas to the Alabama-Florida border, including Calcasieu Lake, Vermilion Bay, Lake Pontchartrain, Lake Maurepas, Lake Borgne, and Mobile Bay. There is a hurricane watch for High Island, Texas to Grand Isle, Louisiana. There is a tropical storm watch for San Luis Pass, Texas to west of High Island, and east of Grand Isle, Louisiana to Bay St. Louis, Mississippi, including New Orleans, Lake Pontchartrain, and Lake Maurepas. There's a tropical storm warning for Dizillam to Progreso, Mexico. In 24 hours, Delta will re-intensify to a Category 2 hurricane. Then in 36 hours, despite not being pictured on this map, it will intensify even further back into a major hurricane at Category 3 status. Then it will weaken as it approaches land in 48 hours as it nears central or western Louisiana, and then will weaken as it moves inland. That's all I have on Hurricane Delta. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye. I would also just like to say to please stay safe and stay calm and stay informed about the storm. This is going to be particularly dangerous to areas of the Gulf Coast, particularly Louisiana, after devastating Mexico. So please stay safe, prepare, and stay informed. Bye-bye.